Good afternoon everyone. My name is DhanuShri, studying grade 8 in Colors Indian School. We all know some common problems about our neighborhood. For example, too many vehicles, less lack of trees. But now I am going to speak some main important problems which now is caused to our earth and outer the earth. First up, we'll speak about deforestation. Deforestation occurs when we clear forest landed areas for our needs. When we do this, some extreme creatures like pythons, crocodiles will come to our place to live because they don't have place to live. To prevent this, we have to plant more trees and we shouldn't cut forested areas a lot. Next up, we'll go for acid rain. Acid rain occurs when the industry smoke and clouds combine together on water cycle. Next up, we have air pollution. We all know how air pollution causes, right? Yes, lots of vehicles. Because of vehicle smokes, in water cycle many chemicals are mixed. Now let's go beyond the earth. Space pollution. Space pollution occurs when we make a satellite with our resources, and when it is a failure, it stays in our Earth's atmosphere as a space debris. We should prevent this by making sure that the satellite is not going to a failure, but suppose it goes to a failure, it should come back to the Earth. Before I finish my speech, I would like to tell something. Our future is in danger. Before we control these issues on the Earth and beyond the Earth, soon we have to search for new planets. Thank you.